Okay, so in last class, we discussed variables in JavaScript, right? I think so. Just check it out. Yeah, we're done with the variables. And today we will discuss about operators in JavaScript. So there are common operators. Any programming language, there are common operators like arithmetic operators and relational operators and assignment operators, increment decrement operators, and conditional checking operators. Conditional check operators and concatenation operator. So we will see different kind of operators now. So first I go with arithmetic operators. Multiple operators I will save in the same program. Operators dot HTML. Let me go with the script. Let me go with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Let's try to work with document.write. 2 plus 3. What is this 2 plus 3? So what are the different kind of arithmetic operators we have? Plus, minus, star, slash, and percentile, and exponent. So these are the arithmetic operators we have. Plus is addition. Plus is for addition. And you can give the document.write break. This is for addition. And one more operator is subtraction. Subtraction, let me go with the 10 minus 4. That is subtraction. And one more is multiplication. 10 into 4. That is multiplication. And one more is division. 10 by 4. 10 by 4. That is division. Division. And one more is a modulus. Modulus is something like a remainder value. 10 divided by 4. Sorry. Yeah. And this is a modulus. And one more is a exponent. 10 to the power of 3. So these are the different kind of arithmetic operators we will be having. Let me check. Arithmetic operators. Okay, so the one is addition. The one is a subtraction. This is the addition. First one is addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication, 10 into 4. And one more is division. And one more is a modulo division. Remainder value. 4 will go in 10 2 times. 4 2s are 8. And the remainder value is 2. 10 to the power of 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. 100 into 10,000. So that is a one more operator. Now let's go for the relational operators. Relational operators. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and equal to. Equal to is, equal, double equal to, not equal to, double equal, and triple equal to also. These are the different kind of relational operators. So less than is something like this is going to be giving true or false. Document.write 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3. True or false. That will give you output as true or false. Tell me 2 less than 3, true or false? This is less than. This is less than. That is giving true. Okay, let me give something. I want to give the HR for here. What is the meaning of HR? It is giving some horizontal code to divide the arithmetic operators and relational operators. Now this is true. Okay. And let's have two more things. 56 greater than 67. This is greater than 2 less than or equal to 3. 2 greater than or equal to less than or equal to greater than or equal to. Okay, so everything is going to be printing for you less than or equal to greater than or equal to. Now, so in the same thing, I want to go with the inspector. Now check it out. Check it out with the console. I will write all the operators here. Then it is better instead of writing in the editor. 2 less than 3. 2 greater than 3. False. 3 less than 5. True. 3 less than or equal to or greater than or equal to 5. False. 5 less than or equal to 67. True. And 4 double equal to 4. True. Why? Because 4 and 4 both are equal. Now this time 4 double equal to 4. True, true. True. Numeric value. Numeric value. Now where I can check with 4 triple equal to 4. So this is interview question. This is interview question. What is difference between double equal to and triple equal to? Double equal to is going to be checking the value, but triple equal to is going to be checking the data type. Double equal to checking the value, but triple equal to is going to be checking the type of the data. So that is the why reason. So this is going to be giving the output like this. So these are the different kind of relational operators. Now we will go to the AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Those operators are called conditional operators, logical operators. Sometimes people will call logical operators. Conditional check. Conditional check means logical operator. Let me go with the logical operators. What are the different kind of logical operators we have? Logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Logical operators. Okay, so can I write those two things also here? Better. 2 double equal to 2. What is this? Equals. And here 2 triple equal to. This is basically called exact equal. Exact equal. This is equals to. This is exact equals to. And here it is true. Output is what? And here output is what? So why here output is false? The data type is not matched. Here output is false. Why? Because of data type is not matched. Now I want to check with the condition. Okay, so document dot write. Let me check with 2 less than. Do you know what is logical AND, logical or logical NOT? What is logical AND? Logical AND should be like this. Okay, true and true. True and true, then it will give true and false. That will give you false. False and true. That will give you again false. False and false. That also give you false. Finally, what we can able to understand about the logical and. This is called logical and. Logical and symbol is this. Logical and symbol is this. So here the note point is both, if both values are true, if both values are true, output is true. If both values are true, output is true. Otherwise false. If both values are true, then output is true. Otherwise false. Can I make it comment also? Now come to the values. 2 less than 5. True or false? True less than. See, what is the output of this? So here the thing is, the first value 2 less than 5. That is true. True and true. Output is, am I right? True and true. Output is true. Don't confuse about this. Don't confuse about this. Now, what about the logical OR? If any value is true, automatically logical OR operator. Okay, true or what is this? Logical OR? Idana? True or true? What is output then? True or false? False or true? And this is then false or false. Output is false. Here the thing is very simple. Any one of the value should be true, or any one of the value is true. Output is true. Otherwise false. Any one of the value is true. Logical OR. What is the symbol of logical OR? This is the symbol of logical. Let me go with the logical OR. Take the same thing. And here I want to give 4. Now tell me, so the first value is false. Second value is true. False or true. What is the output of this? Let me change the value here also. Output is false or true. Then output is true. Let me go with the false and false. False or false? False or false. So first one false. First one should come false. 6 less than false. First is false. First is false. And this one. This is also false. False or false. Then should be. And not operator. Not operator is basically something like document.write just 2 not equal to 4. Am I clear? Is this true or false? Is this true or false? Huh? 2 not equal to 4. 2 not equal to 4. That is why true. Output is true. True itself. True itself. Okay, let me take HR here also. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇది అయిపోయింది లాజిక్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి లాజిక్స్ వచ్చామా ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది డౌన్ ఇప్పుడు అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ is only plus symbol. Assignment operator is just plus symbol. So you can write assignment operator only for the strings. Document.write Srinivas plus Python plus React. What it is going to be happening now? Srinivas Python React. So here plus is working as assignment operator, but whenever it is going for strings, plus is working as concatenation operator. So let me write a note point here. Plus is working as concatenation operator when we have string as operand. Then string as operand. What is the operand? This is actually called operand. This is called operator, and value is called operand. Any operand you find as a string, automatically plus is working as concatenation operator. So note plus is working as concatenation operator when we found string as an operator. When we have found string as operand. When we found string as operand, then automatically plus is working as concatenation operator. Just note point. This is remember. Now we'll go for increment decrement operators. Increment decrement operators. Now where x is equal to 10. Now document dot write x plus plus. What is the output of this x value? 11. Huh? See, first of all, print the x value. Document dot write x value. What is the x value now? 10. Okay, fine. After x plus plus, again you print x value. After x plus plus, again you print x value. First x value is 10. We are printing x. But we done with the one more operation. An operation we perform x plus plus. X plus plus nothing but what is x plus plus here? Is equal to x plus is equal to 1. X plus is equal to 1. This is the important thing you have to remember. Post increment, that is post increment. This is pre increment. No, sorry, that is pre increment. This is post increment. Okay, so now output is 1 0 1 0. One more break required. Now x plus plus, and we are printing again x value. Yes. After printing the x plus plus, what is x plus plus now? What is x minus minus now? Already 11. Already 11. 11 is converting to 11 is again converting to. What is happening? Let's go. X is equal to 10. X plus plus 11. Now x minus minus 10. So again you have to get the value. See, it is storing with the x minus minus. Again you have to get the value. Whenever you are getting the value, that will go to the 10. So you have to check here. Plus plus x 11. The post increment. Post increment. Minus minus x 10. Directly it will go. Directly it will go. So these are the increment and decrement operators. You can just check it out. Okay. Now these are the operators. You can just work it out. Now check about conditions. There are multiple kind of conditions which are going to be very useful. One is a if condition. One is a if else. One is nested if. One is else if. One is switch case. Switch and else if both are look like same. Else if and switch both are look like same. If checks only true statements. If checks only true statements. If else checks true and false statements. Nested if check if condition inside if condition. Else if checking more and more true statements. More and more true statements. Switch again checking more and more true statements. Checking more and more true statements. Now let's go with the if condition. Conditions, all the conditions I will write in the one group. Conditions dot. Let me go with the script. Suppose, for example, name is equal to Srinivas. If, when I say if, you have to open the parenthesis. Whenever you want to check the condition, you need to open the parenthesis. Variable is name. Whenever you want to check with that, you need to give the double equal to. Equal to is something like a comparison. Equal to is going to be checking a comparison. So now I am comparing with Srinivas. So I am going with the normally right value. I am going with the true block. If only works with the true block. Alert, or you can say document.write matched. Document.write matched. So let's say here, if checks only true statements. If checks only true statements. Now this condition is true or false. If name is equal to Srinivas, I am checking with the true value only. And the name is equal to, again, the value is also same. If this is true, then only this block will execute. Otherwise, this block will not execute. Now the value is true. That is the reason it is giving you matched. If it is not true, for example, I am checking with the capital S Srinivas. If name is equal to this one, you cannot see any output over there. You cannot able to see any output over there. I don't have any issue here. See, just it is like a skipping way. Skipping way means if it is true, then only block will continue. If it is not true, there is no block, nothing. It can't able to go forward. It can't able to execute anything. There is no other option. It is just like staying like this. Why? Because of if condition only checks true statements. That is the reason if is only checking true blocks. If it is true, then only the block will continue and block will execute. Otherwise, it will not go forward. Am I clear? So that is about the if condition. Okay. Then what about this is if condition. Let me write the program name is if condition. Now I am checking with name one. Name one is equal to something like by v. Now if this is if else. If else, what about if else? This condition, if else condition. What about if else condition? This will check true and false blocks. Now If name is equal to Vaibhavi, I am going with capital letters. If name is equal to Vaibhavi, then print matched. Otherwise, go for the else block. Go to the else block. Tell it is print. I'm thinking Python. So morning completely Python. Morning completely Python. So I'm into that. Document dot write not. Lot of classes in Python in the morning. 3 classes. That is the very reason. Okay, not matched. Now, finally, output is what? Obviously, not matched. Okay. After this, you have to take a break. Document dot write break. You take a break. Just like this. Not matched. Now, I want to check the multiple conditions. Then you need to go with the else if. Go with the else if. Else if is basically checking multiple conditions. Let me go with the where. Yeah, still Python lo unnane. Where name 2 is equal to Rajesh or something like different. I want to go with the speed here. Speed is equal to 56. I want to check about the speed. Okay, so if let me check the condition. If speed less than 30 and document dot write low speed. Can I take one more break here? So the first condition is checking for the low speed. Now I want to check the speed again. Else if check one more condition, checking more and more conditions. Now I want to check the condition speed greater than 30 and speed less than 60. Document dot write average speed. Else if again check speed greater than 60 and speed less than 100. Document dot write good speed. Else finally else block. Document dot write high speed. What is your speed? Your scooty speed. This one. You. This one. I am this. I am always good at. Now check the output of this. Average speed. Why average speed? This is 56. My value is basically 56. In which block it was getting stopped. In which block it is not actually available in this block. And it is available in this block. And these 2 blocks, no use. Okay, for example, the speed is 156. If it is a car, whoever is driving car, if you are driving car, the time your speed is high speed, obviously. So checking more and more cases, checking more and more conditions when you go for that into that. Next, nested. Second, first of all, where he's got job. He's doing job. He's doing job is equal to If I'm giving the values where is married is equal to true. Okay, now let me go. If he is married or he is doing job is equal to true, then check the one more condition. If he is married, tell document dot write well and good. రెండు ట్రూ ఇచ్చినా కదా. Checking with true and true. Okay. Now, first of all, he is doing job. We are in the true block only. First of all, he is already doing the job. Okay, job చేస్తున్నాడు. మ్యారేజ్ అయిందా? వెళ్ళండి. మ్యారేజ్ కాలేదు. If not married, అంటే just go looking for marriage. Why waiting? Now come to the else plot. Is not doing the job. Document dot write. First get the job. Then only marriage. First of all, tell me the output of this program. I'm actually having the first block is doing job or not. Checking with the doing job or not. If it is true, then only execute that particular block. That is matched, then only it will execute that particular block. If it is not matched, directly it will go to the else block. Now, is doing job is true or false? If it is true, execute this block or not. Okay, entering into the first block. If it is entering into that particular block, first of all, is married, true or not? If it is true, what is the output of this program? Well and good. Output of this program is well and good. Obviously well and good. He is like Rajesh. Rajesh, you know? This time it is applicable for Rajesh. This time it is applicable for Rajesh. Well and good. Now he is doing job. No. He is married. No. Now this time it is applicable for Vaibhavi. He is doing job. Now this block will execute. Directly it will jump into the else block. So first block itself it is not executing. Then finally, what it is going to be happening? It will directly jump into the else block. Why? Because of here it is false. It is checking with the false. If it is false, automatically it will go to this one. False block will execute. This is the case of Vaibhavi. First get job, then only marriage. Getting my point. Now Srinivas come into the picture. He is doing job. False. He is married. True. Now tell me. Now this block will execute or not? Okay, so let me give the true here. Let me give the false here. Now tell me. Doing job is matching or not? First, I want to enter into the first block. Doing job. Yes, I am doing job. I am teaching classes, means I am doing job. Yes, I am doing job. Then married, not happened. Then output is looking for marriage by your. Am I clear? So the cases of nested ifs. Not only this is actually the single tree. This is actually single tree, one case only, but you will be having multiple cases inside. You're checking multiple cases and go inside. That much complications will not come in the real time. In the conditions case, only one or two levels it will come. But in the loops, it will come multiple kind of. In the loops, it will come multiple kind of nested verbs. But in the kind of conditions, multiple nesteds will not come. You don't worry about it. You try to work out with the one more thing. You try to work out with the one more thing. So you try to work out with the age, marriage, and job. What I'm telling. Getting my point. Condition check with the age also. Condition check with the age. If age match, then only go for the job. Then only go for the this one. So you can try to write a program age check. If age not greater than 25, he is still studying. That is the first condition. First block. Inside this block, the second thing is job block. After this, marriage block. After this, kids block. You can try to execute with the 4 cases, 4 steps also. That program you have to implement. What you can do? I will tell. I will tell one simple assignment here. What the assignment is? What the assignment is? Very simple. First check age. Then second check age check చేసిన తర్వాత check about the job. Check about the marriage. Then check about the kids. Check about the insurance. Check about the insurance. How many levels of conditions you have to check it out now? Okay, so for example, if age greater than 25 or 28, nowadays marriages are going to be happen after 28 or 30. Okay, let me go 28. More than 28. More than 28, enter into this particular one. Otherwise, directly go into the else block. What is else block then? First, finish your studies. Finish your studies. So that is in the else block. Okay, so if age greater than 28, then enter into the job level. Job level. He is doing job or not. Checking with the true or false conditions. Okay, then go for the marriage. Yes, done or not. If marriage done, go with the one more block. Kids available or not? Available. If available more than 2 kids, go for the insurance. Kids number even whatever it is. However you want, you can write the program, but that program should have multiple level nested condition check. Multiple level nested condition check. Okay, so that is the thing you have to work out.